Everybody, 𝒆𝒂𝒓 here, back with another video. Today we're going to be changing the headlights on the 2016 Malibu, and we're going to start with the easy one. All we got to do is get right in here, and now we're going to try out this first bulb and see what happens. Here is the bulb itself. Brand is Fahren. I don't know how to say that, but they were like 40 bucks on Amazon. Here's the actual thing. It's got this little driver thing you got to like put off to the side, so you got zip ties. For that, we'll figure out where we want to put that. Let's first get this old light out. All it is this cover. It turns out you actually don't have to twist it that much to get it off. Now, let's see. Alright, I'm going to use this to help me get this thing out. Alright, y'all, so for this other one over here, you just gotta take the cover off and then you're good to go. It's right in there. That's the cover, air filter. Make sure you get this cover off. It's a little tricky down here. Once you get that done, you can snap that in, and then you gotta screw it back on. You're good to go. So here are some cinematic shots of the lights. Of course, that one is the old one. This is the new one, and yes, they are definitely brighter. I wouldn't say they're like insanely bright. They're not 300% brighter like the box advertises or whatever it says, but it's definitely brighter. And I'm glad I made the swap. You're gonna get what you're gonna get for 35 bucks, which is what I paid for it. Let me know what kind of headlights you guys have gotten for your Malibus or whatever car, and if they worked out well for you. But yeah, so got some big things coming. Got some stuff that just came in. Gotta wait for it to warm up, and I'll drop some more content for you guys. And this is just the beginning of this car build. So yeah, I couldn't get like a great night shot, but this is the best I could do. So if you guys did enjoy, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.